Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make salad udon. It contains vegetable, carb and protein, so it's a complete one-bowl meal that you can whip up within 20 minutes. At the end of the video, I will show you how I do a menu with this salad udon, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 frozen udon noodles, some vegetables and some protein. And the vegetables and protein can be anything you like, but today I have some lettuce, cucumber, cherry tomato, and some eggs and canned tuna. And these are what you need to make the sauce. 6 tablespoons each of mayonnaise and ground sesame, 4 tablespoons each of sesame oil and vinegar. I'm using rice vinegar today. 2 tablespoons each of sugar and soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, and if you like to make it spicy, some chili oil. I'm making the sauce first. You just need to mix everything in one bowl. 6 tablespoons of ground sesame, 6 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 4 tablespoons of sesame oil, 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and some chili oil if you like. Give it a mix. And the sauce is ready. Very easy. Let's keep it in the fridge to chill. Now I'm making boiled eggs. Make some cracks at the bottom of the egg. This is the bottom side and this is the pointy side. On this side, like this. Put some water about halfway up the eggs. Put the lid on and bring it to boil. Now I can see it's boiling. Turn the heat down and let it simmer for 7 minutes. Simmer for 7 minutes. Let's take them out in ice water to stop cooking. I'm preparing plenty of boiling water to cook the noodles here. In the meantime, let's cut the vegetables. So cucumber, cut both ends off. Mix in diagonal slices. Align them. Then into thin strips. Try to make it as thin as possible so the texture doesn't stand out too much. Cherry tomato. Let's just cut it into half. And some lettuce. Cut it into half. Put them together and let's make it into thin strips. Now, let's drain the canned tuna. I'm using the one in brine, but you can use the one in oil, whichever you like. If your tuna is too chunky, break it into little pieces so it can blend well with udon noodles. Boiling water is ready, so let's cook the udon noodles by following the instruction on the package. Okay, let's drain it. Wash the noodles under running water really well by rubbing it against each other to remove the stickiness and starchiness on the surface. You can go aggressive like this. Then release the noodles in ice water to chill completely. I left the noodles in this ice water for a minute or so and it's completely chilled. Let's take one serving of the noodles in this strainer and drain it well. Then in the serving plate. And all the toppings you prepared on top. This is exactly how I like my egg. And generous amount of the sauce. More chili oil if you like. And salad udon is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。So many different textures in one bite. Udon noodles are so bouncy and the vegetables are so crispy. And the creamy sesame sauce is just amazing. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Salad udon is noodles but it's carb, so it goes here. There are lots of vegetables and protein in the topping. So let's pass the main in one of the side dishes. Some sort of pickle to refresh your palate for the other side dish. When we have noodles, we normally don't have soup, so nothing here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.